In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own WhatsApp stickers on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to the App Store. Then just go to search and search for WhatsApp, just like that. Here we need to ensure that we have the latest WhatsApp app version. If this button says update, like in my case, just tap on it to get the latest updates for WhatsApp app, and once it is fully updated to the latest version, we can open up the app. After that, just enter conversation, and then to start creating a sticker, tap right here at this stickers icon. Here we have all our custom stickers, and to create new one we need to tap right here where it says create. That will open up camera roll, and from here we can scroll down or up until we find some picture we would like to make a sticker from. Let's say that one. I can just select a picture that will analyze it, and down below here it may offer you some options. Basically now here we got just one option. This is original image with this outline, and that is cutted out image. And now we can edit it. We can add here some text, just like that. We can then move it around, we can place it somewhere here or there. Also we can use that tool to draw over our sticker in that way. And basically once it is done, hit add done, and then tap right here to create sticker and to immediately send it to the conversation. Right here, as you can see, we have this sticker saved, and then we can use it to immediately send that sticker to any conversation. And also, guys, we can create stickers directly from our photos gallery. If we head over to photos, then in the same way we can open up any picture. After that, just long press at any object that you would like to cut out, and it will give you some options here. Here we need to tap add copy, and then if we head over right here, we can just paste the image we've just cut it out, just like that. And here down below, as you can see, it says custom sticker. We can now head over to edit sticker option, and after that we'll be taken to the sticker editor where we'll be able to draw here something or add a text. And then to send this sticker, just hit right here. It will send this sticker to the conversation, and also at the same time it will save it right here to your custom stickers. If you would like to remove some stickers from here, all you have to do is just long press on it, and then down below select remove. After that, you will be able to choose several stickers, just like that, and then by hitting add remove, we can easily remove all of them at once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.